the best example regarding the analog signal is my voice, right, or speech, which is varying all the time. Then we have another type of signal, that is digital signal, right? So is the one where the signal intensity maintains a predefined level for a certain amount of time, right? And then it changes to another level, right? So we have another figure over here, right? So these are the digital waveforms. Again, we have time on the x-axis and amplitude on the y-axis, right? So you can see that this signal is maintaining, right, for this much amount of time. There is no change.